Yeah, welcome to If Jealous Was a Person. Well, we want to try to bring it to a series. I maybe bring it to 10 episodes. I maybe bring it to 4 episodes. And you have to tell me if you want it. Continue, because we can change the script. We can make whole heap of jealousy go on night, whole heap of fighting, whole heap of shooting. Not too much death, but each time a person is going to be available, we make the end of the night still, we're still. So, tell me what you think. And please remember, the more share you share and the more movie posts. And we have our next giveaway coming, but some of the fees are good. That's why movie takes a long for post. So if you see me do take long, don't pressure the brain. Plus, I get a sponsor. So the sponsor will come and we go to different movies. It's not like there's a sponsor they will say, yeah, they're going to sponsor. Enough people come and say they're going to sponsor. I want to check it out. You know, hear from them, you know, see from them, but other people, one person called me when we believe in her, and the person said, all right, I send them our money if you go to our guest house, go spend 3 nights and shoot. So, that thank you. You know, come yet, but we believe in you. But we believe in you. So, earlier see we shoot at the hotel this weekend or the other weekend when I come, and that person is sponsor it. His name I go do there. Bless up.
Hello, you know someone up there so build one house in Popeye.
Oh, Popeye. Yeah, man, me pass him right up there, so. Just go up and take the first turn as well and finish house in the right over there, so.
Alright, thanks.
Alright.
Yo, Wagwan. Yeah, man, I'm on the site of your check, man. But me not see no material come yet. You can't find out from Basti Wagwan. Yeah, man, just find out, man, because... Yes, man, find out. Wagwan link shop, you know, because the whole shop too. But I don't know...
Hello, wait. Sir.
Hold on there, my stepdaughter there, hold on there. Yeah, me so talk to you. No, man, just relax the man. Alright. We are doing to the
You
yard.
know, sir, you want to call for because mommy can't send some money.
Money if you do what?
To go to school and buy snacks.
Every time your mama want
lunch
money. We give her money already. So what more money she want?
She want more for send me go to school and buy one new shoes because well, I'm shoes bottom tear out. Be rain.
Listen me. I do business. But tell her do you hear from what you know. I don't want to do you hear. No, you can't tell me about
Me
money.
soon do, but me not ready yet.
No, listen me, man. When they send, yo, listen. If you hard me if you work to build people house, that's my money coming in, you know. Your mother don't want to look more than sit down there, you know. To see your father gone to find how long now. Right? Look how long him gonna find for. And he never call you yet one day. And say, hey, see your money here.
Papi soon come back. No.
No, listen to me. Your mother tell me say your father never send $1 come here, you know. That's a dime.
A lie.
Your father sent money come here?
Yeah.
And what say your father?
School and check and put on 13.
Okay. So I'm going like a film money put on the tattoo.
I don't know how she do it.
And me give her money for put on, me give her the money for put on tattoo. After she a go on. You know what I tell you, say? Take up $2,000, but I'll tell her where it's there. So when I go down there, you look under the fridge bottom. Take up $2,000. Because you know so no more fridge you not clean, you know. So that's how I store money. So take up $2,000. My sister go to school for 2 days until me go and get some work here, so. Me so come check her, tell her, say me I go check her. And who this a call me?
Alright.
Hello? No, me not so reach, me for the site. So me call you back. Alright, no problem. Yeah. Uh-huh.
How do you know?
Not a thing. We just want to ask you one question.
Which question that
You're
now?
soon 21 now, right?
Mm.
I'm afraid you left school, I don't see you with that man.
Girl, money is not the problem. Money is.
Mama, you can use the man and get money.
I know that. Can't matter this scamming thing.
How is it scamming?
Girl, I want work, no, not man.
So you're going to find working them a hard time, yeah. Come on.
Me try.
So you walk go now.
I go down your road.
Oh.
See if we can get something to eat.
Oh, so you good though?
Yeah, man, you good?
Yeah, me good because me have one man. That's why I tell you if you have one man, you will be decent.
Can't manage that right
And
now.
take time walk, I feel like you all walk left me. Sure. Yes, as me I say no. You see, if you have one man, girl, you can get money from the man.
Get money from the man. You know what, no man? Want work more.
Mama, you work now, go on.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm going to make no enough money.
What go on?
Better I say, I need a man.
A man.
Work can please.
Hey, me, any attack? Not them a time, yeah. My man a go.
Oh, time no hard. You have pick up the right man.
Love can pay bills.
Enough.
Oh, sorry.
Girl, it's right now, I'm not shot at nothing. I'm not have to work. I'm not work, I'm not shot at nothing.
So you want to be independent?
Mama, I'm independent with no matter about me, I'm independent.
No,
me think about that the next 5
If
years.
you tell me say you have man, that means you're not independent.
Mama, you try outspeak me now, you know.
You're
Me try tell you say you need a man.
Oh,
and it's
no,
like
man.
you try bypass the argument.
Oh no man.
Alright, come on for you go down the road.
Man, a long time, yeah, friends still. Okay, girl. How you come from?
Shop.
Shop. Where you got shop go buy?
One juice, we drink coffee, do some back.
Who give you money?
Then who this?
Mommy.
I'm like a sister, girl.
So you look so big.
Big.
You look bigger than you.
I have 14 this way.
Big door.
Who give you money?
Mommy.
The ban fall feed.
No worry yourself about your son and you have big bone. Make sure your mommy give you money. Make sure your mommy give you money. Different father. Don't worry about that. Make sure your mommy give you money. Come go up in a yard. How you screw man?
Me not screw.
Look a girl. Look a girl.
Yeah.
Know yourself. My big sister. Up in a yard. Oh, Tada. Come.
But you look bigger than feel like
No
in the
pain,
pan
no
fall
mind.
feed.
Until I see a sign tanning, just big.
Come and introduce her to me. My man, girl.
Okay. I say, you tell me about my
So you just sit down right as a keynote, so.
I enjoy my meal, man.
I say, you're approaching man.
Yes. This is Thais. Thais, this is my boyfriend, Tibi.
Tibi.
Yes.
Thais.
Nice to be
Okay.
good.
Yeah, man. Good.
So where you from?
So you smile, so.
Food sweet, man.
So we all know where you come from, pa?
Girl, me a friend from
I'm not
high
really
school.
business, then if you know where I come from. Yes, this is Thais, and yes. One thing you know, I ask one another.
No, so just make sure you treat my friend right.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Sonny don't turn now?
Yeah.
Alright. May I follow good on the road, me soon come back.
Alright.
Alright, later. Here, big up yourself. Yeah. I just drink coffee juice. So.
Girl, me dey thirsty.
I walk up and down, you know, most thirsty.
That's why I'm not follow you go back nowhere.
I feel follow me.
Watch me.
Alright.
Tell you get a man, you know, get a man and solve all your problem
I
them.
know man.
Mama, work can't help you, work can't please you.
What's up, bro? How?
You haven't changed?
Oh, you just land?
Bro, I'm just coming back, bro. Didn't you get my message?
You don't have my phone on me.
Man, you keep rolling like some waste, man.
So anyway, cut long story short. You know bring back no money.
No, 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 no. Don't even go there. That's the first thing you want to do. You don't change your life. You're trying to live like that thing
What?
behind you.
Give me something out there, no? You know no money.
Really? Bro, listen,
How would I
bro.
land?
I come back to teach you everything
Everything.
about life.
Yeah.
Listen, all these dirty behaviors, you gotta change it. Look at me. I'm talking to you, bro. This is not no jokes or no going around bushes business, okay?
Right.
What's wrong? What you doing out here?
Just chilling, you know?
Okay, check it. That's the reason why when I step at the airport, the first thing I buy is a lock. I know your style.
You know no money.
I think you change. You don't even change an inch.
You know no money.
I have money, yes. I save up all my cash to come back to Jamaica. What did I tell you the first time I'm leaving? You think I'm just gonna go over there and waste time? Bro, put your hand at your side. How is life treating you?
Rough.
Rough. That's why you keep getting up looking like a cruff.
Terrible.
I need some water, bro. Give me some water. Bro, can't you come to reality? You can't see my face? Sir, me come here to come tap our first place, you know. Listen, me can check you back when time.
Where I go? Come bring it for you now.
Bro, listen now, listen, bro, listen. Just relax.
Come bring it for you.
Please, listen, I'm on my vacation so long. All my peoples keep asking for me. I'm here now. So listen, I got lots of people to look for. So just chill. I'll be back, okay? I'll be back.
You go on, broke fire in your be. I'm going to be a whole garbage and all that.
Come on. You can get married.
Mama, I'm not married for now.
What do you mean by
Married not upon my paper right now.
married and live life? Do one work too.
Hey.
Hi, Sugar Plum.
You taken?
What?
Yes. Never mind.
Ma, what that's for the video?
So where high sugar plum for? Yeah, you can do business. Can have business. Right, then you would. And the melanin?
Where you sell there?
Girl, you're supposed to be my friend. Yeah, from high school days.
I'm Sweetie.
Okay, I am Thai.
Sai.
Yes, Thai. She's Shanice.
Yes, I'm Shanice.
Hi, Shanice.
What's her name? Sweetie. That's a girl name, man.
You're taken. No, no.
Mama, we are taking me left. Me single now.
Single?
Yes, alright, sweetie. So what's up? Where are going?
Yes. Rough.
Just calm
Rough.
Just come see and be there. Anyways, and just being back in the neighborhood as they called it.
Oh, we're on this side of from. But it seems like you're coming from abroad.
They can see my travel documents all here.
You're foreigner.
Could have asked that.
Yeah, money.
From you look at me, you don't see foreign?
Me see it. Let me see tag for your suit. Yes.
If I got what?
Money.
Yeah, come with a lots of body. Anyways, I'm just passing by, so
Single picture.
Mama, no ask me
I'll
nothing.
maybe see you next time. You look so nice though, you know? Next time you maybe can get my real name and my nickname like that, you know? Maybe. If your friend is not there. So we'll link, okay?
Okay.
Bye for now.
Mama, remember me in live.
Me know
So,
you back on
me have come back here, cause every time I walk back here, it's broke my traffic. Mama go on here, yeah. Right now, me ignorant for you.
Daddy, come back, my friend.
Okay.
Come and see what you're doing.
Hey. Stand up there, so. Breathe easy. I say, your mother do it. Where you do on road, them time day?
I never have no school, cause much money never done this.
What? So all of my money, they want me to work and send come my yard. Where your mother do with it?
No, you forgot to ask her that.
Me, I forgot to ask her that.
Bring for me.
Don't worry about that. What you do on the road? Watch ya. I saw me grow you. Yellow show legs.
But her clothes.
But if you ever put one more button in the word, when time me talk, me butter down on the ground. How you for the show legs on the road like this? Skirt, me make you wear skirt for you, man?
Nothing wrong with it, I just skirt.
What? Tell me that one more time again. Me can't believe you grow up. You really grow up. Eh? So me left a worm down here and now me look on a big cockroach. Eh? What kind of legs you show? Yeah, cockroach you show legs. You want to show legs?
But me like a cockroach.
So the dirty boy them panic lane. The kind of boy them want for the see you looking like this. Put your face around here, me attack you. If you ever turn your head back one more time, me lick you down flat. Just smile if you think you're bad. If you feel like I'm not joking me in a. You think so me go work all of my hard working money if you come make you look like this? Guess when me reach up, me a burn up all of them here. All of the skirt. But make you feel like you want splurt. Me they cut up all of them. You hear? Oh. So they messing here where now? Where your mother there?
No.
What your mother do down here? You don't know, so you don't know nothing. Where you go?
I got my friend yard.
What? You have a friend? Boyfriend or girlfriend? If you ever say the first one, what kind of friend you have?
One friend.
What kind of friend you have?
Girl.
One girl. Listen to me. Me no want to see that left yard that go sit down with no girl now. And you book your video take up in and make sure all of my money when me send come give you. Make sure A the B in a school. Make sure A the what?
I'm be in a school.
Hey, me tell you about B. I might give a B. Ramp with me. Look for me. Me not come with no joke thing this time, you know. And no joke thing me come with, you know. Here, when you look for me good when time me talk, look at me good and hold up your head like this. Okay? Now ramp with me, man. You feel like you can go follow your mother footstep, you know. Okay, see me never leave here. Me turn workless around her, you know. You know how much money me give human and go spend it per man. Actually, me know say I'm like a beautiful daughter and she have here, you know. And that's why I'm in a wreck her already, you know. Believe me, you know. I wonder if I hear what me I say.
Me a listen, man. Me a listen.
Me know when you listen alone, when you put them in your head and learn. Here, can I not joke thing this? Turn yourself back up there. Come here. Can you feel like you feel like a ton woman and you feel like you're big enough. Can I see my suitcase drop?
What are you dropping?
So how if you take up it?
What put in there for me too?
Put on my suitcase. Me tell if bring nothing. Me tell if you take it up. Pull your stringy bean up, so.
Wonder where mommy.
Wonder when mommy there. Wonder. You better make sure you find her.
Hey. What is that?
Oh.
What father they do ya?
Oh.
Ask him.
Oh.
What level?
I see where you get the dirty water from. I say you live down here.
So how me feel live?
How are them a batty peg, batty rider sitting here, them here,
You left how much years now? You don't how much?
You still a live like a ghetto girl down here?
Me have to. Don't come by me, you know.
So all of my money when me a send come give you. Shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth. All of my money when me a send come give you. You not do nothing good with it.
And what?
You not teach me that nonsense.
Oh, you so sure?
And watch ya. You put on all tattoo on your bony skin.
So you
can't put on one.
Hey, come up and talk to your father. Don't unite with me. You know.
Don't worry yourself. Here, me go give you a pot of soup what you want. Don't worry yourself.
I went that.
Oi, it means I win that.
I went that.
Oh.
I must when me dead.
So you pick up plugs you know.
Who pick up which plugs? But I pick up your whole suitcase and go back where they come from.
You ever seen Bring No Man come here?
And what that have to do with you? I made a take them.
Mommy liar.
See you? You're not talking list of people when I come in about that good man. I soon get that out of you.
What that have to do with you?
Oh, you look so you not put on nothing. No weird,
What
nothing.
that have to do with you? You come back broke with one suitcase all and you're there foreign.
You're
I
sick.
I'm really foreign. You go.
You're sick.
Go foreign.
You want to sit in a this?
I don't want to see that suitcase.
Oh, remember say a peer run your mouth, run water for
make
my money
sure
them for the
say-
first time, you know.
Just make sure say you left your daughter school money and in package money and everything before you left your combo. If a tattoo me put on and if me no stop with your short clothes. You never meet me in a short clothes.
I see you. And that's why your teeth them always lean up in your head, okay? You don't listen when people are talking. You ever want yap.
You should have known that before you get a daughter. You never know you can't this.
Come see, man.
Yeah,
If you want this, I don't know if this. Remember, say me make you know tell it tiss you. Here, remember, say when you're shit, you don't know nothing for clean with your body, because you know used to them sitting there people and poor. Remember, say me make you know real life.
Man, I always tell about your father. He's
Watch
a
out.
girl. I don't know how you come here. Take your
Me
suitcase.
look like girl. We are teach him things. Why not teach you? Come here. Shut up your mouth for me box up your lip.
You don't come to my house.
Stop talk. Come remember, say a hospital, me say the first time when I talk, you know. What she teach you down here?
Where they come from?
Teach me enough things.
What kind of things?
At least, if I'm still virgin, you know, come back here.
Well, you know if she a virgin.
What do you mean by say, oh, me know if she a virgin? Me can't be that to go check up every month. I want to take medical for run. But I take up a suitcase.
Medical for me go check the doctor man too, you know, I run a medical there because if you feel like say you can't make no doctor.
What you feel like say you can't come here and place and raise a voice?
Don't take me out. Take me out.
Like some girl. I let that call girl. What do you mean by what?
You just said that. Listen, I buy a special belt for you, so don't worry yourself.
You can't beat
some.
yourself and teach yourself sense.
You are going to say that with your mouth. So you start
Work for you now. Come back here and one bag of chatting.
Worry yourself. You see me look healthy?
Healthy way.
You see me look healthy? You see me clothes and well
See
put
where they are
together?
foreign
Look
now,
fine. You look like that when take it up already a man in time.
See where they are foreign now. Look at the healthy.
With them two hands in your head.
Set the foot good.
Set my foot good. Set
Look at
him.
them broke.
Set him.
Come brother. Too much talking.
Better if your foot didn't set like for me, you want to open up wide so for everybody's can enter freely.
And you should be ashamed for your sisters, me, be mother. You are first dog go inside.
God almighty.
Come on.
You brush your teeth from morning?
Me say, come on.
You man brush your teeth from
I
morning?
said, what this
Why,
you
really,
have respect for mommy.
You know, say don't rate to mommy. Me I talk to you from up there, so me know say I hear mouth smell, so you know. You know what? Everything good. Make a circle and come back and me give you what me have to give you. All what me have to give you can't get nothing from me.
I really want woman.
Remember me tell you, look on you. Skin full of bump and sitting and look sorry like a... Jesus, tell them me see you.
Brother.
Sorry.
I get 3 left out of my place.
Can't, cause if I feel like me change to me go foreign and go behave myself. Can't.
Put this out of my place.
Daddy, I'm gonna stop this.
Shit. You shush. Me say fi can't.
Real mama, man.
Can't.
Come on.
Cause if you see why in this, you feel like me left it.
Brother, my man soon come. Hurry up and go on.
And we compete, and I tell you, come on.
Wow. You want to see that man there?
What did I say?
Because I want to know who make you can talk out of your mouth. If I never me suffer a country and dead, remember when time I pick you up. Remember when time I pick you up. You know, remember when time I pick you up.
I see it, I take.
Eh? See it. Come like you're blind, but that's a
You have to go look up, you know.
I want to see that.
Brother, me say take your things and go on.
I want to see that.
Get up out of the place.
Me not touch you, man. I think of it. Me can't
You
think
can't
slap me
tell.
up there, so.
Oh, that love feel weak.
Body him up.
Because if I never me, you know, the pan got earth right
You
now.
must have a man bed that day.
Here.
Hello, you. You sit down for my
Man,
man
come
bed.
to you night. Sleep right now.
You're under my man fan. Come
You know what I'm saying?
on.
When I disrespect me.
Come on. You're under my man spot of ground. Come on.
I don't feel like I'm changing it, so I'm going to make some money.
That's true. You're going.
Remember, say a rich
Come
badness
on.
now.
Which badness?
I'm going to teach
Which
you
you
something. Don't worry yourself.
How much time? You're
No,
not
I'm going
sure.
to leave. Come and
Leave.
talk and talk.
You're under my man roof. Which man come in our man roof and I cuss no woman
That
and
man the way you
people?
have no love you.
Me no need you to tell me that.
Why
Come
you not straighten
on.
back your teeth yet?
Come on.
Take me out. Why you not buy your good clothes? What kind of tattoo them there? Fake Gucci.
Come on.
What kind of chain that?
You really a come by me?
No, me feel look for you all over because me just get to start see you.
You know, say me go check your front if I want split your have in your middle. Cause you want a real batty boy for true.
When I used to ball for you, sweetie stick at
Come
night
on.
time.
And shot.
You never did ask if I did,
Brother,
if I
you
did.
don't want to tell them things that make you that. You can
No,
use your
talk.
mouth more. You
Talk,
use your
because if
mouth
you did
more.
shot, it couldn't
You
get
use your mouth
it couldn't get you
more.
fire you.
But
It couldn't get you
I
color
could
you
have
fire
sweet
you.
water do this. I could leave that even for you. Come on.
At least you want a sweet.
I could leave that for you. Come on.
Lord.
Come on.
Listen, look what. Yo, tap it talking.
Brother, take your time.
Yo,
Go
tap
on.
it talking. Cause right now you talk too much in a girl and me don't want to do things in front of that
Charity,
kind
go
of tap it
on.
talking. Here, and wait, I'm going to visit back.
Dada.
I'm going to visit back. You see if you go and follow your mommy. Remember me tell us what me having here so you don't bother get in. I make my daughter wear skirt. Skirt.
No, what? You not saying that.
Skirt.
Say no boy
I
with
make
it.
my daughter wear skirt. It's
But
alright.
no wrong with skirts.
So you
I
can
still
doctor.
clothes.
If I ever find out so you're not virgin,
Where you do?
I mean you come here and me can take you back for out here.
Come on. Bye. Broke fire now. What you
Brush your teeth.
I made my teeth and everywhere what? Broke.
Go buy this here.
Woo! Oh, God. Say how you palm man.
When me, how long they call you?
Tired, man. I woke me up tomorrow for you.
What
Look
pay
at
money
that.
then? Uh-huh.
No rate no pay today.
You're shopping. You don't say no sense. So where do you say if you don't get no baby? Me just run out my baby father. You want me run out too. Just know say if
The
you
baby
don't
father
have
come back.
for shit then me just run in.
Hold on, you know. Say me not no money, we can't sleep here.
No, without no money chain can
You not tell me say you love me.
love.
Me pay for all of them tattoo you have it here.
Me rate. Love. When you love, what is love?
Love is when you love somebody even if they're
You
broke.
love me,
Yeah.
so give me money.
Somebody have love you for give money.
Then I must.
I first never hear this in our life. Mama, let me ask you a question.
Brother, don't broke me, don't broke
You
me.
feel say when me dey party at night time, you can't pay me for that.
What that have to do with me?
You know how much energy me have to pump in you for you feel good. You can't pay me for that.
You can't pay for you are paying me for my things.
Every time me come, me came and me can't see no improvement. Me can't see no picnic come up in a belly. It's like you,
Alright, baby, I go.
you don't want a son.
Brother, I don't want no son.
You
No, no son.
between
My
there.
baby father give me be a problem over my daughter and you come both son.
No, this is not between me. I have a good grip. I mean like that.
Then I must walk
I
it happy.
like when me in a hit and you think you're handing on my back.
No, come on me here, come and something, nothing. Cause you not pay for nothing, brother.
So what, so you say we can't spend it?
No! Money, then you can't come. And if you don't have the money, you leave.
So things go down now. Actually, a man come now. We can't, yeah. Oh, he come down from foreign, so me broke now.
Which, a shit that in one suitcase. Right now, you have more clothes than you than him have to say you leave here.
Mama, you feel grateful if a man left from foreign with him back, on him back. Appreciate him.
Hey,
You don't know where my come from.
hey! Come out of my lifestyle now.
You know what girl that won't mind them man come down from plane right now. You know what girl want fly from plane and
I
can't
said,
fly
there's
from
nothing
plane.
upon me. I said, there's
No,
nothing
I
upon
love you, man. I tell you the truth, Mama. I love you. And me not go around you. Me not have no money now, the boss next week.
Well, next week you come back. When I get the money, you come back.
You know, so must start for
Yeah,
like
man, it
artists.
change
Them.
overnight.
Must start for like artists. Them.
Then
Cause
I'm
if you can't
not
love me
gonna-
now, don't love me later. And later is
Don't link
better.
Rummy in. Don't link me with that.
So you go down, sir?
I see him with
And your daughter respect me as a
40 days
stepfather.
and 40 nights that now have nothing to do with it.
How much time is in I go to school?
A fast replacement for one next stepfather. Where you talk about?
So, woman in Jamaica go on.
Brother.
You know, so I tell the man what I go on.
Yeah.
I must to the man, I tell him to listen.
Go ahead, we go tell God too.
So, me, if you can't mix up, go ahead.
No. And you
Me,
can.
if you can't mix up, go ahead and go tell
And
God.
you say you go tell the man, and I say, brother, go and go tell God too.
God know why you never mix up, because God you never mix up here on the island, bam down with fire. Won't I go on with the rest of right now, if God
Like a
if
beer man,
God come like a...
Hey, you know, say me out to come
Hey, go on, my clothes and buy it too.
Which clothes are you buy home?
The shorts, the Avon, and the blouse, no want to
Don't make me have to wet you.
and the toothpaste when me buy
Hey,
it,
don't make me have to
want
wet. Buy which two?
more, no want them back.
One.
Let me take up my towel, after me, want them back. Come from here. I'm a super seven buy, no want it back. You're bright.
No, I'm going with yours too.
Me so confused. Let me tell you something. You see, I'm...
No, you see, my daughter saves me.
Okay.
Go on with him too.
Me not mingle around look at me. I box one box that down sometime. You know, say I don't a race on yard. He always have a daytime I'm here to find out. I mean, I can't open nose, sir. You have a right side like a toothpaste not touching me by. You go on. Yeah? Go on.
Left me hard. Batty man. Well, all these are set of germs. No, come and play spark.
I know that you're gonna fall soon, girl. My probably from it so. Yeah, so yeah, so I know.
Yeah.
You know you want there?
Yeah, I'm tired, man.
You tired? What you do?
I'm on to washing and put on this morning.
You know appearance.
Ladies,
Hi.
what's up?
Nothing.
No, no manners. So yeah, where are you different? Because I come on fire rather than the car. Mr. Serena come down and...
There, I'm tired, man. There, I'm finna go and talk.
Top put up my shoulder, man, and talk.
So you know the answer, I can answer.
Me not answer every time you tell me you want disrespect me. Me not tell no disrespect for no man.
Yeah, push up too much.
I don't say all the while, I see her with a friend, and to me, she's not a friend to you. Why she always a behave? Why you always a behave like that?
I just thought she I have to just get used to her. She kind of aggressive.
And I like you're ugly. You kind of look nice, actually.
Come, wanna talk, I can go place me.
Actually,
Thanks, no girl.
in a shape good. Just relax, no, man, and calm, see. And why your slippers looking like that? Wow. That's how you behave, just like how your slippers look.
Listen, if you're comfy, say hello, you say hello. You don't disrespect my friend right here.
No, I'm not being disrespectful. Am I wrong?
You know if you disrespect her like that.
That's not disrespect. That's cleanliness.
Well, since
That's
she
cleanliness.
want slippers, you can buy her one.
You never say she want the slippers.
Buy her one new one because she not go wash it. Might as well.
So I say you stay too.
Me know you're serious fall.
You know disrespect her like that.
But for your slippers not far neither. But we
Exactly.
can take you up
we
and
not go wash them.
treat you still and make life better phony, you know.
Yes, it's what we.
Can get her little changes.
Okay.
She deserve it. Maybe she can put on like a weight when then she start getting like money from
Me know me have more weight than her.
some real gaga and you it.
Yeah.
Anyways, a CK then call me, you see me?
Okay, see you.
That is it. Yo.
Okay.
How bite in my neck, so?
I know which vampire, which answer.
Move on the next side, one big bite today.
I know what.
Yeah, vampire. How bite today, so?
What about you?
I know it looks like skin in face cut up. How bite him on this, so? Anyways, everything good? You eat already?
Let me eat. I just turn my head.
Alright, man, I guess something for kinda put in your pocket to eat. Breathe easy now, mama.
Me breathe easy, but me hot.
Come see, man. What you pray? Give you something for so you can buy. Something to eat, just eat.
Yeah, man.
Look, come on, you're hungry, you see me? You can count.
Yeah.
Count with me. Count me here and I'm not hearing nothing.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Put one more on him, man.
Hold this. Put it in your pocket.
Thanks. See, now give her none.
Come count with me.
I don't need any money.
That's how your maga so. That's how you know no shape. We link again. Next time you must see me have money.
Thanks, Jamie, and the pants, Tutti, and Kappa Color for somebody we have money. What?
Yeah, man, you're right.
Yeah, man, I like how you make me a boss for you. Nothing now come true. Yes, more I want money.
You know, say shop black farm and be the owner and go on.
Why is shop lock?
The customer them used to come in and run them way in a strip naked.
I rum. More I want money, more buy one new slippers and something.
Then, so friend. How you say man I spend by you?
And that with you know, you not really spend, but me never want thing look no weird, so me just say I spend.
So I did lie.
Never really lie.
I have money right now for buy slippers, you know.
So you have money to buy a craving, eh?
I say me not have no money for buying slippers. How much are these slippers?
135.
You have to check me back within 3 days time. No, no money at all. So where you want me go to thief?
If you want teeth, you gotta go teeth. Just don't get caught. Later, me I go done. Come, little girl.
Wow. Shoppy. Yeah, dude. You rough, me boy. How rough? You ever think we go see you early morning go take a shower? You must say me always think about that still. His shop is stuck. No, see the shop lock up. Me tell her if you look at crossings, girl. No. You're still there with her. See the shop lock up. You sure she man make you lock? How else could I make you lock? Nothing so much. The shop did run good before you go in a relationship with the girl. Look for me, you know. Me take up my nice slimmers. You know, see slimmers and me always can't come here. And me I send her daughter go to school, you know. Although between me and you, though. Our baby father come back, you know. Me no business with that. Nothing wrong with me girl and me shop, brother. You know, say you're bad man, you're corrupt. Me corrupt? What you mean? Fit tell the truth. Oh yeah, which truth? Where you get that from? Oh! No, me see what broke down in shop and you're human. And you have smoke out it. You're an idiot. You can't run shop and smoke and drink. I feel me shop and me a stocky. Nobody not help me stocky. Nobody not help me stocky. See then now the shop lock me can't buy a drink. That's why me good on so go buy a drink. Me no come back here so the last time you woman strip naked yesterday, you know. Don't worry yourself, me shop so open back. I tell you worry about. And me shop a woman they worry about. Daddy do better than that, man. Go and see, go wash off yourself and run back. Give me a shop then, let me rent the shop. You don't have no money for rent my shop. I'm here to talk to. Where you get money from? I work, Me I work day and night and I come in with money. Oh, you know, say come to think of it, me need a wash off real low boy. Ah, yes, when me I try to show you, girl, salt you up. And that's why nothing now go on for you if you check. Nothing now go on for you. That's what you do. Every day me pass you and you say you sit down. Cigarette, pan top of cigarette, pan top of cigarette. You see, the day when you go tap smoke cigarette is the day when you get old and shrink up and can't puff no more. No more strength, nothing if you suck up no more. Okay. That's the day you go tap smoke if you don't tap. It look like they said if you smoke. First time you used to have money and dash. Now we can't come here because you want money from the table. We can't gamble with you again and win half of you. I'm going to go see it tomorrow, go take a wash off for you. Go take a wash off. I left across his girl there now. Left him because right now to me, that girl look like he don't want nobody, you know. And just money you want. You see for your shop, run down, you know, sleep in your yard again. Come to me, boy, to buy her slippers when I go. Can you buy it? No, I don't have no money to buy her. If you did buy it, you don't want a lick. How much is slippers? 3-5. You must be mad. You see for me, woman over there, although me take back the towel and the slippers. $1,000 me buy the slippers, so what me tell her, I say, $6,000. You know? Buy for $1,000, me tell her, I say, $6,000. You say, the towel, $300, me just tell her, I say, $2,000 me pay for it. Yeah, I look at them and say, towel for $2,000. I say, yes, baby, you have gold in it. What no gold in there? You have to just tell them something.
So me I go buy slippers. You have to go carry me go show him where 1,000.
Right now you want a wig. I mean I walk around to see me find the cheapest wig. Me want to find somebody who have a wig with them wig already and just give them 1-2 grand and carry go on hair salon and go back up it. Make it look like a new, a high shield down, spray up it. You can't tell the difference. I spray some cologne in it and put on and clamp on one tag pan it. You can't tell me say.
Oh my.
You have to learn chicks and shade, yeah? You see how some clothes, we go to some people here that take care of a wire and carry go wash it and press out the back and get one stickers off and just clamp on it on the price. You can't tell say I buy that. You know what things people, you see a Riverton City.
Mm-hmm.
You know what time people go in, they go take out all meat out of carry go sell people on the road.
Oh my.
Check all the soup man them on the road. We live near town. A Riverton City, they go get all the little box of chicken foot there where sanitary inspector go collect and dash way.
If me go a shop no and this a shop and I open, me know say girl.
No, you understand me, I said, but remember, me never tell you nothing.
Me know man, you not tell me.
I never tell you nothing.
You never tell me nothing.
Good. Cause some man don't know chat too much.
I never treat my chat.
What you need to do?
Play game.
Can't use it. Change and go to school or something.
I don't need to say I can become man, but how will you get money?
Is that relevant? Is necessary? Let's start work, I'm find my money, man.
If I have
Money, man. My man have money from foreign. And give me 200 US. You know, you know if you question me, no?
okay.
And to me, you're my little sister, I love you, so make you.
So mommy know about it.
Mommy no need to know how old me be. Mommy need to know?
20 going 21.
Okay, mommy need to know that? You gonna tell mommy that? Oh?
If you're not telling me, not tell me neither.
Okay, just keep your mouth and hold on for the money.
So some change your go to school.
You can change and take you to school, do whatever you want, that's enough money.
Mm-hmm.
And make sure you behave yourself.
Yeah.
I go back around my room.
Yeah.
Yeah, ta.
Yeah.
Me ma finna tell mommy nothing.
Yeah, me not tell mommy.
Alright. Oh, yes, you leave. What you me I look for?
Check in, man. Check in.
Good evening.
Good evening. Manners door.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Me here say any crime me have you can match it good and no trace, no face.
Who said me?
Who send me? They not really want me tell you their name. I just somebody me ask around here if they don't know nobody who can match up no crime for
See,
me.
I walk find about it to have match up crime.
No, I want somebody me go to. Me not say if you fool. Me go to one of me G them and ask them if they don't know nobody who can match a crime for me. Then I say if we go over there so go link that black man. They didn't even tell me your name. How your name?
What about your name, man? But you say talk to me first.
Alright, me can't sit down. I'm here to stand up.
Stand up and talk to me first, man. You have to sit down.
Why yo? Analyze somebody. How much you go charge?
Oh, man, you have 10 cents, man.
Yeah man, me have me 10 cents. If I do it good, me give you 15. No trace.
What's that?
Well, I'm a schoolmate them.
Schoolmate?
Yeah, but when I come money man come my way and she outrun me. So I want to get rid of her.
When you have a look at 10 cents, man, I'm going to respond to nothing, you know. After they own a mother, man, private money, man, just go link.
Alright, so when you can deal with it?
Why you have the money, man?
Me always have the money, man.
So money then?
No, you have to do it and then get the...
What?
You can't get the money and you didn't even do the job and even know the girl look nor nothing.
I hear me, I say. It's gonna bring half my money come.
No, you're talking.
You bring everything, the details and everything forward, sales speed. You hear so?
Alright, so me can check anytime.
You can check anytime.
Alright.
Bye-bye.
Me done get everything. I look come chair.
Which friend that is?
Girl, I know.
Want to talk to you about something, you know. Me go buy you some clothes, cause your father not buy you no clothes, you know. So me go buy you some clothes. Cause every time he come and wine and argue me with you, say me I make you wear be a short of clothes. Shit. What you say you gonna make sure say, hey, let me tell you this. Make sure say I friend where you say you go meet, cause you say man, we breed you, make sure.
That the teaching board down here. Man and John. Man.
Where you come back here for?
Oh, say things me not come check up on my daughter. Me not tell us me come squeeze you one day and find out what go on.
So who tell us me I get daughter, man?
And as me come, the first word will come on my ears, a man. You see you ramp with your life.
And I'm my friend.
Shut up your mouth.
She said she go meet her. Go on to your friend where you say.
Sit down here, so. Why do you when time I see you on the road? Where you tell me see your friend be now one girl?
So now one girl I'm friend.
So oh, you can't tell me about no one man and friend now?
No, me I talk to her about man.
Talk to her about which man?
To tell him say me
Which me daughter underage, you know should I talk to her about no man
what
at all?
What you mean by me I teach him from now?
Teach him from what? I mean if you teach him when he's ready, you know.
No, you know left. No.
Yeah man.
No, me no man, but me no want as much as I am father.
Shut up your mouth, you don't know nothing about man.
Let me teach him about him man, cause next thing you man him.
If I didn't know about man, you think say you're the maga so?
You know what about
easy.
me and me maga.
I think if I didn't know about man, I could have fooled us the first time.
That's a first time. I love how you use the word first time.
Breathe easy.
Oh, you use the word first time. I
teach me that about man. You don't know nothing about man.
I know for no father they do things you don't know that. Leave me that. Me chat to him about the man.
I rebuke you in the name of Jesus.
Me don't know you. Me don't know what you all about. Cause you full of shit and shit.
This one ready to learn about man. Me, I got teach about man. You hear me say?
Hello.
But mommy, I teach.
Teach what?
Okay.
Mommy know nothing about nothing. Breathe easy, man. I mean, you give this buy something for eat. Can't even look like you eat for a morning. Every minute I come over here, it does look like I get maga. Sit down there, so. Can me tell us me you come for your proper plan. Don't worry yourself. Breathe easy.
Come on, tell me yard.
Remember, see you couldn't do that for the first time and catch me. So sit down there and quat your body.
Show us some clothes.
My daughter, let me tell you from the last time. Don't follow her, she just a chatty mouth. Me have
Show
everything
us
in
some
stock.
clothes.
I'm not going in my bag yet.
You are talk about food for eat. Show us some clothes.
Here.
Every day you come say me I put
Can
her in a
count.
skirt.
By the way, how much money you don't want?
10,000.
10,000. Can you spell 10? Spell 10. Open up your mouth, me not hear you.
So just give me money now.
Spell 10. You know say that me not like with you. And that me not like with you, because I can't have a decent relationship talk with my daughter.
Me I tell her, if you tell her, say she want clothes, cause every time you come here, in argument with me.
So all your talk, out of your top body, and I think say me I hear that long time. Breathe easy, no man, sign off, no man, me deal with my daughter, no
money.
man.
That's all. Me no want no money, you know.
Spell 10.
Cause you can use your dirty money.
Just give me
Go see
money.
what you do
Why
for
not
get
spell
it.
the word?
You want me nobody again nothing? Ramp with me, cause you man don't tell how me be. You man don't tell how me be.
Listen to your father.
You want like you want ramp with me. You hear? Spell 10.
Much time you must spell it? He said T.
Just want the money.
Spell 10.
He
So
said
now just spell it
T-E-N.
something.
Me not hear you.
Come.
Yo, breathe easy. Breathe easy and I'm going to take out my belt. Breathe easy. Spell 10.
What make you spell it? Since I want word
Alright,
to spell,
see you don't want
spell it.
no money. So I'm going to keep it. See you now go good.
Men buy clothes money.
Listen.
He want the
Listen,
money
what?
them for buying dress and he sit them cause you cost both.
No, me also make mommy give me
Watch your mouth, man. Here. You know what? The truth you are my daughter. I can't cheat about. Count.
Can you give me now, yes?
Count.
1, 2, 3. Yeah, we had this so fast, man.
How much now, man?
2, 3, 4, 5,
See when do forget it.
8, 9, 10.
Cockafat. All in a skirt again?
Then minute. You never did hear me say.
Let me tell us about skirt.
Say never did hear me say. Me say I want money for buy clothes
Let me tell us
and
about
talk about.
Shut up your mouth.
I second time I
Shut
do
up
this
your
to
mouth.
boy.
And me don't want to hurt you in front of my daughter. Let me tell us about skirt. You know what?
Yeah, no
1,
skirt.
2, 3. Wallace.
Tell him say you want money for buy clothes.
Yo.
We can carry you go buy them.
Follow her. And you will see what kind of road I go up on here. I will be back here. You see me come back here in a no skirt. You see me come back here in a no skirt. First thing I can link you back and board up all of them. And I'm tell you already and I try some things I do.
Carry her, go and go buy clothes
Here,
then.
yo, so
Carry her.
and make sure you get something to eat with that. And if you give a $10 out of my money, that's what I deal with that.
Mo take him man. That mo take you look.
Let me get the money from me.
Go.
Make sure I accept that.
No, me not do that. Come here, friend, I wait for you.
Run, girl, you idiot. Yeah, make water wet up here.
Rain.
I'll make it take so long. Me know say rain come down in the water. I'll make it take so long.
My father, me mother, that's all.
I'm going to say him come back. You know, so girl, my sister come to me and say she find man. A rich man, you know. I should give me this. Some people take it for gas school. I think gas school.
Now give me one though.
I want she give me on love. So I want.
Just there. Make my mother buy me some clothes or some battery rider for wear. Or hat. Remember fat me at about?
I'm not come there.
Why?
The money I have after gas school.
Sure.
So your father knows say I got party?
Yes, sir.
If you go tell him name pop your neck. So if
Just there. Weird.
so how my father say I hear your mother and your father in that?
Come cause my father must come from a friend and all of this.
Hey, your father come from a friend. You care for me?
You know, you not tell something yet. In the argument, 10, no. In the argument, 10. No, so much happen and give phone give me 2. How many want 10? Where is what them? Girl, buy things. What's that thing?
Sure, done the argument and the rain done. Time for you go. Come on.
Watch out. Hey girl, what are you doing in the rain?
Me can look for my friend.
It's a good thing we just sell a friend and I shopping and come go up, you know. Look for which friend, your friend is?
Yeah.
Well, I say a year long.
Me I go tell mommy. What you asking about my
Me
friend?
say our hair long.
In the long you short.
Come let me see wrong then. Skirt again?
But no do I skirt.
Shut up your mouth. And that's why if your fractal looks up.
No, see them.
Oh, them the stars there in your face.
Pimple patch.
Paper what?
Pimple patch.
Pimple patch.
Yeah. Cover up problem.
Cover up bump. So there's so much bump you have to cover up.
One.
So if you're pimple patch,
No one.
you know what I mean? One I go. Where your friend I go?
Me did go for she yard and rain come.
What you say?
Me did go for she yard and rain come. So come right after.
And rain come. It come like it's a good time God send me out, you know. What am I looking like here for? So at this man I come to pick you up. At this man I come to pick you up.
No.
Say,
I know man not involved.
I see the boy look over here saying, even he look over here 2 more times, you know, man, I mash out the whole like glass amount of window, you know. So, my daughter, this really come to in her life.
Which man? You man even look over here.
What you mean? Let me look like car and look. When me look like car now, you see on the glass, me see 2 on the eye in the car. And the man look over here one time. When you look and you see a film here, you looking and turn your head fast up.
All this
My daughter, you don't see her ramp with me. How much money me give you if be good? Why not for your throat?
Me sick.
You're sick. And in a rain.
You see, I already there not rain.
1 inch more than me sound no girl in a car.
No.
Make us see turn come back. Make us see turn come back down. I want to see what happen. Can give you some money to buy something to eat, you know. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 what?
Yeah, do something too fast. I can't want to give me none.
Don't make me take my money. You ramp with me too much, you know. I don't want to depend upon no man and no friend and no company. How much me reach?
Think of 5 or 6, one time. 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wallace.
Sure.
Come here, Wallace. Put this in your pocket.
No. Okay.
And make sure you buy something. Listen, I can't see no man. Come. Back that way.
Thank you.
Now thank me. Thank your friend. Say you have a rich father.
Come back, you know.
You again? Check in.
Yes, me again like you name want me come back.
Not all like people no more.
You know we like a business you run anyways.
More than.
You say me can come with half eye, right? So see half eye you know.
What?
What? Do what with it?
What's that? Mama, why mama?
Yes, sir, me can come with half. Me come with half. Why problem?
Might reach half it, mama.
You never tell me half how much me fi come with.
Mama.
You just say half.
Mama. That can't sell nobody.
You never tell me what you charge me.
Come with 1,000 more of that. But I say this you know, they can buy one juice. But more 1,000 more of this. You see me?
1,000.
1,000.
Is it 10 of them?
You know 1,000?
Me don't know 1,000.
Figure it out. Me how much crime. I just check me here for the balance.
Come show you girl look. See her. She live right in a little.
Beside that man.
Yeah, she live right around this so when I little avenue them, they married then little one room them. So me check your back with the rest and me no say crime done.
Or yourself, I'm like a pretty happy thing, man.
Ah.
Sister. Me I'm gonna go buy something because I'm hungry. My mama don't cook before she left. So I go buy something.
Hurry up and go buy what you buy.
Yeah, come.
No, me not come. If you go on the road. Hurry up and come back in the yard.
Alright.
So I'm get up back and see the house.
Oh, get up. Such a beautiful girl, me come murder. Boy.
Murder me?
I mean,
For what?
just love because of money me over here. No hard feelings.
But me not no money.
Hey, big girl.
No, there.
Say free.
Damn. I walk good on the side, me buck up on you. See.
Me want to go buy something to eat. Because mommy gone on the road. She look born up before she go and sister down there sleep. So I go buy something to eat. And go back down to her because she say before you back down before she wake up. So I go go shop and come back.
Alright.
Alright, later. Sister, I'm come back fresh. How can I prep business there? Girl. Girl, come back. How you come from?
I'm just going.
Me not even eat it, but you don't say no. Then kill my sister.
I prank you, prank.
Girl, if I did prank, it wouldn't so bad. This is not a prank. Then kill her, brother. She don't really down. I don't know what to do. I don't know who to go to. And I'm tired, but I'm no.
How you up on the road? Better that's your phone. Where you up on the road?
I'm a friend me I talk to.
Your friend I talk to? Oh, you blow so? How I'm here?
Thank you, my sister. And I house. Run come out of the house and I see her finally dead.
Your sister name?
Ty.
Yeah, you.
Yeah.
One shot black girl.
Yeah. I'm a sister, I'm big sister.
Most joke here, make. What you say?
I'm not joke thing. She done dead. I'm mother gone. I don't know what to do.
One little shot black girl.
Yeah.
Kind of magarish.
Kind of slimish, slim thick-ish.
I joke me, not joke. So
I
I
don't know,
have a problem here involved in a road with.
No, she just come around and tell me.
I joke chemic, right?
No. True thing.
You say you come put yourself, find a yard. Find a yard and walk up. You feel like a joke pig me, find a yard and walk up. But you must walk up with yourself now. Yes, I'm serious. Oh, if you talk, then sit down with my daughter here.
I'm a friend.
You know, if you tell her that I sing this poem, my daughter start praise her in a way in life. Wait, so she dead for you?
Yeah, she done the lid down.
Right now?
Yeah, she in her house.
Come show me.
Where you not come from?
Dad just lit me on the road and beat me for
Lick
no
up on which
reason.
road and beat me.
Me, lit me for no reason.
You're sick, man. All when me just wake up, you mad. Where father there?
Yeah, let's talk to one girl.
Which girl?
And I'm a friend him. And he run me.
When you go before you stone him, when me have a fire,
But
when me
he
have
lick
your
me.
fire. He lick him back. Boy in the lick. You think when I did lick this? Find out say find a man a come to Jamaica, come like him come with an evil spirit pan him. Like him they mad. You mad?
Come on, go and mama and disappear and something.
This up who? This up him mother man. Me this him. When put in hand pa your fa.
I went there. I say, I'm daughter send him a road to man.
What send that a road to man?
I say, I'm daughter send him a road to man.
You don't see me just a wake up and he say,
So you hear the news?
Here which news? You see
Say
me
man
just...
a chat to go murder people. I said, I sent me daughter for there with murderer.
Look here,
Me
take
and the
time,
boy
process
down
me.
there.
Shut up your mouth. Get him to hear everything. Shut up your mouth.
Hey, wait, let me talk to your father and shut up.
Talk to me. When you talk to me right now, because I'm broken neck right now.
Broke off a neck.
Oh yeah, my daughter send him a road to
And
man.
I sleep and me say that a road to man.
She said, mommy.
Me say that a road to man.
Yes.
Hey, girl.
Not
Mommy.
man, go to my
So
friend.
talk, explain to me about that.
Talk to your daughter
With
about that.
murderer.
Talk to your daughter. He
Mama
say,
commit crime.
me supposed to can't trust my daughter.
You put me in a trouble now.
Hello,
You
me.
just come from foreign.
Hello. Listen to me. Me supposed to can't trust her. She said she a go up on the road with her friend.
Just-
Me not expect say she a go to man. Talk to your daughter about that. To an angle
So me
party.
just come back now. You're going to tell me if you talk to that or me talk
Right
to
now
that.
my pressure high. Me can't manage it to a hunu.
You did there, yap
Where you did
in the
there?
background.
Me and my friend there.
So how your father talk about man?
No, me and my friend there. That's a
Oi.
talk.
You're not telling me up the road say your mother
You gonna make me lick your
boy.
Me? I
No,
mean,
You
but
see a
yeah.
murderer boy or murder.
But me and
You
the
see
boy
it?
down there.
So what kind of news people are telling me upon the road?
so how you
I
and
girl,
boy
say I
becomes...
sister
So how your friend a tell upon you?
No, so Holande, how you and boy becomes that you say your friend I go to how
Very
you and...
easy, because you know what I go on.
girl.
You know what I go on.
So you just say, a while ago say, you and the boy down there. Which boy that?
Listen to me. Listen to me. You see the same girl, what she said, her friend,
Yes.
when me touch her like while I seen her down and me and the friend I walk, I go down to go look on the dead body.
Who
The
dead?
friend tell me everything.
See the all
Now
time.
man kill him friend, sister. You see him like a black girl when me know from down some man will beg me
Tell
buy
me no
one.
hear ya, G.
She beg me, if yes, when time I just come down,
You have to go
we see
come
them
out
on the
here.
road.
You have to go take
She beg
him.
me buy her 3 lasco,
You have to go take him.
2 tin of mackerel,
You know
and
visit
4
where I want
pound of
to-
flour.
You have to go take him. Cause
I
you see
rate
that-
me every time I give her the money, make she buy it, you know.
see that piece of caliber not clear when me living on now. Go make no gunman come kill me like.
Gunman, I
Which-
think my daughter there with murderer.
Who make your daughter there with
I commit
murder?
crime right now. Police soon come around here saying,
Come round
I fly,
weird.
me go fly back.
Yes, yeah, wait, me just wait, can you come and tell me about how police who come around here, come around weird to
Hello.
who? Talk to your daughter about that.
You and take
Yeah.
you from this Jamaica
Yeah.
place right now.
No, you're
and make you leave
talking.
for around this Jezebel here. Can you see this Jezebel?
Amen.
Him not gonna mash up your life, you know. Else me bust him
Amen.
short.
Hallelujah. Anthem to that, raise me and
Go and pack up your things then. Go and pack up your things then. No, I move fast.
go on with him.
Because if you feel like no police account like you, boy,
Till
you can't
gunman
do murder, man. And when you go to
involved.
kiss you, make you a virgin, and you see what go on. Here, you
And left it to God, man. Worry
Every
yourself.
time I come
Pack up
here-
my things fast.
Every time I come and put your hand on my face
And
like
come.
me, brother, just
Worry
left me
yourself.
place. Yeah, you
Me
pick
not put
me.
myself in a trouble for you.
Me just wake up, you come and tell me about that. Brother,
Hurry up. Me I wait.
Town left me hard. Me not in a peace now. Hurry up and pack up your things then.
See peace here, now. What's this? Where's any flesh man? Oh, hurry up. Me can't care a friend go live life. Me can put on weight. And I look
Yeah.
at this string bean here.
Come out of my place.
Get up all the stick. Come, hurry up.
Hope you don't came back.
You can buy a suitcase.
Hope you be father when you say you go be. Me don't want to know back on my place.
Come. Life you gonna live now.
You can't
Like
go live
drugs.
life. Hope you not making come back
Say
with
bye
no
to
belly.
drugs.
Bye, mom.
Come on, before
Yeah.
they come down as a conflict.
Why every girl? There we are go.
Me go to my father because mother pack me up and say she don't want me go dead next. So she send me down on my father. So I don't never go. And I'm trying to send me from the school and me there go.
Just see that contract, can't tell someone not living in alien no more. I'm a father, me I live with now.
See him here. I'm tired. So I that just say. So I that me have to go there now.
Mama, run me, I'm a father.
Well, but it's unlike your father might study in some business kind of interested to hear. You never hear when you run away on this, you never die pre that. But like, I don't never him I did the money man should I talk about, but I don't know. Right now I'm skeptical and afraid that it's the lady come. I don't know who, how come after me or who them a plan for. I don't know. Just want to hurry up and come out of here. Okay, so next time I'll see you again here later.
Happy enough, father.
Yeah, man, I do really good.
Yeah, that shop me I come from, but I say shop lock. Because a special man want from down there, my father. I
You
did.
say last special this me take from the shop, me now open it back shop close.
But how you drink out the profit, man?
No man, I last drink this in the shop, man. Me now open it back until me go and see you go take a wash off, man.
How I go on?
Come, one girl when me there with man, girl salt, girl salt, brother.
You think if you go see you gonna salt her? See water salt in my father, man. I do have to go to river, man.
No man, somebody tell me if you go and see man, and
No,
when me go there, when me go and see me out back your shop.
River, daddy. Go river with a blue.
Me not, you can't tell me if you go. Somebody don't tell me already say
So
see.
me your virgin, so me can't, brother, better you go to river, brother. Alright, go on and see.
River.
Go on and see.
You know say I true that.
No, go on and see. Go on and see.
See salt and me salt.
At that, me I tell you,
Double
gonna
salt.
salt. Or a triple salt, which one?
Nah, I go and see then me I go river.
Yeah, man. With a lime and so sitting, you know.
But now back your shop still dog, you know.
But still I can't drink out of profit though.
I last shut around this one.
I can't make girls shut out of brain, you see me?
True man. So where you go you know?
Well, I hear in a place, I go get a drink, but come like them lock up, you know, me just, as I say.
You have to check somewhere
So
else,
I
you
go
know.
circle up the road and see what I go on, you know.
Alright then man. There man I go and hold them.
Big up yourself, man, but everything yourself do, you know.
No sir.
Alright. Yo, Chargy. Yo, my father, man. I'm telling you, man, I'm there, see him with my butcher, man. You know, so one little shorty, man. Give me one piece of work for my father. Mash up a piece of work, my father, man. I'm seeing for give me a piece of money. I don't know, I can't see much of a piece of money, man. I'm mash work for my father, man. You see me? I want a little short. You know, one little short. You know, black and some style. That's my father, man. Yeah, my father, man, and give me a rough, I mash the work, my father, man. I know you can't take me some money, man, and give me one piece, I know you can't take me some money. I'm seeing right now, I know if the thing come down, because I know my badness come down, you see me? Yeah, my father, man, I'm here, man. The 40 man, just look out for one type of, you know, you see the girl, that must let me know my father, man, because I know my badness come down. Bro.
Shop lock?
Yeah, man. You know, sister, shop lock, you take me for idiot.
Oh, true, me want to come buy something because I'm
Shop lock,
hungry.
man, and shop close, man. Now open it back for now still.
I can open it back.
I say me now wear the question if I look a girl. I say me now open the shop.
But I'm hungry, I want something to buy.
Go somewhere else, I want shop the boat. You don't know no other shop. Me now open the shop yet.
Alright.
Huh? Look, how long me away from the woman and the woman takes so long to come on. I want to take me back. You don't know what I'm doing.
Papa, I never saw my just start talk for phone.
Listen me, your mama knows you come out of yard?
Yeah, but...
Your mother knows you left the yard? Hey, me not waste my money for picking, you know. Where you do what you
listen,
say?
you never saw my just start talk to. So what from what? I feel like I'm killing man.
When me I find time and watch man, no find no excuse. Me not go back down, let's go tell him man, that's me see a part road, I go out my yard. Where you do part this road there? Where you do part this stretch here?
You go buy something and me see one man right now.
You go buy something, right? But where you do part this stretch here, no dog so you live? Huh?
No one. Just leaving. Nobody makes me name.
All right, wait till I come over there today. I go and tell your mother that we see you on road with 6 man. All right, remember me tell her that. No bright. That woman in a hurry up, come on. Yeah, you reach the end, but wait, you know, don't this so. One new movie just dropped over VM Films. Right now, the link is underneath the video. So whoever have a TV, we'll put the name in it, we'll type it up, we'll find it. One new movie over there, we send a movie over there from Yasa to over there. So, you know, so she's in Florida, so we'll send a movie, and I'm planning to carry some of the people there to Florida. I'm trying to bring Kayla and Kayla to Florida. So if anybody want to sponsor it, yeah, so we just give them some big shoot in Florida, because you know, say, yeah, we have only for camera equipment up there, we can go to good movie in Florida. So we are better to do. Anybody want to sponsor them, let me know.